Money, 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 money. Let's talk about money marketing fund. Now, remember, this is a trend topic. This has been actually a trend topic for the past 3 years. And this topic of money marketing fund will be here in the next 5, 2, 3, or 5 or 7 years. Now, in the US, they have an emergency fund called ETFs, exchange trading funds. In Kenya, actually, we have money marketing funds, which are the LRFs. Remember? Let's dive in. Quick one, the next 3 or 5 so minutes. Now, what's a money marketing fund? It's actually an investment account whereby a group or a fund manager have pulled cash together or capital. Then after they pull this cash together or capital, they use the same cash to invest in different areas, let's say stocks, real estate, treasury bills and bonds. Remember, the same fund managers also liaise or work with the Central Bank of Kenya, because the stocks are always regulated with the Central Bank Authority or CBK in Kenya actually. Also, after they have done the investments and they have created some profit for a long period of time where they invested the money, the profit and the interest that they invested in, and they have, let's say they have got, they share the same interest to the investors. These investors can be someone, let's say give this someone a name, let's say Tom. Now let's say Tom gets to put some amount in a money market fund. We can start with at least or less 100 Kenyan shillings. Also remember, if you have lump sum of money, you can also put some amount that is about 500, 1,000, 800, 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, etc. Until 100k or let's say a million. Depends on your pocket friendly or your how you have the cash or the amount of cash that you have. Now remember also, money market fund investments are only done in short time period. The investments are only for short term investments, not long term. But if you wish to do long term, you also, I think, let's say 6 or 8 months, that's a short term investment. Now also remember, we have type of investors in terms of money marketing funds. These are the retail investors, find that the retail investors can only sell or invest below a million. Yes, below a million. Let's go to 500,000 until 100k, 200k, 20k, 10k, 5k to 1,000 and 500 and 100. But a high net worth investor is a very risk investor who invest above 1 million. Now, another thing that you need to know about money marketing fund, that we have types of currencies in money marketing fund. Let's say you want to invest, also you can invest in US dollars or USDs. Also invest in, if you wish to invest in Kenyan cash or Kenyan shillings, you can do so. But I'm sure if you invest in US dollars, the interest rates are much higher than the Kenyan shillings. Good. Now, another thing that you should need to know about money market fund, that is valuation. It is good to evaluate the fund managers. And how do you do the evaluation? Remember that you need to track their customer service delivery. Are they doing well? Are they good? Do they make losses? And what are the risks involved in terms of opening an account with a money marketing fund? Also, with the evaluation of a fund manager, also remember you need to check their qualifications. Okay? Are they qualified? Are they regulated? And also that the government the government of Kenya should know the money market fund, that if you've done a good research and you are sure that this fund manager has been linking with the government. Because if you don't do that, my friend, any risk involved, that will be a very, very, very loss to the investor. So it's good to do your research before you do any investment from money marketing fund, either here in Kenya or in the US or in any place in the entire universe. Now, let's talk about returns. Now remember, returns in the money market fund, these returns are not fixed. They tend to fluctuate, meaning they vary with time to time. You can find the interest goes to 13 to 14, 12, 13 again. The interest tends to rise and fall. And remember, In terms of benefits, let's talk about also about benefits. Now, any or every investor that invests in a money marketing fund, that is, always has a high always gets a high interest rates, and this interest rate in any money market fund always start from 8% up to between 8% to 18%. Now it depends with the money marketing fund that you have decided to choose. Okay, now remember also, while you open a money market fund, it's best, or it is better to check the withholding tax or the management fees. You find that as an investor, find that these management fees are always at a point of 1.1% to 3.3%. But it is better also, it is very good to be very careful to check the management fees. Sorry, check the management fees so that you know when you're coming to check your net worth and how you have invested for a long period of time, let's say 8 or 6 months or 1 year, depends that you have made and how much you have made in terms of investment and in terms of interest. Now, as I wrap it up, now remember, we have different types of fund managers. For example, here in Kenya, we have one, the CAC, we have the ICA or the ISA, we have the ATICA, we have the Sanlam, the NCBA, the CUSA, the Seaton, the Jubilee, the NABO Africa. Now remember, I'm not mentioning others, there are too many, almost more than 10, more than 15, but it's better in order to, before you choose any money marketing fund, it's good to do a due diligence, to do research, seek a financial advisor before you make the choice to choose a money marketing fund. It's a good point to invest in, and also remember it also has risk, and also the risks are not that high, but let's say too low. And as you invest, good luck, keep it up, keep on investing on the money market funds, whether it's the USD or US dollars or the Kenyan shillings, and also track your net worth. Let's say just check how the interest goes in terms of monthly, in terms of terms of monthly, because your interest returns always grows daily. Okay, thanks for watching, and remember, as you watch, keep on watching, and because when you watch and watch and watch, the watch hours in my YouTube channel just to get high, because I'm struggling with that. And also keep on liking the video, keep on watching, keep on sharing, and keep on subscribing. Thank you, till next time. Keep on investing. I know in future you'll be the billionaire, the millionaire that you wish to be. Never give up. They say Rome was not built in one day, so trust the process, and you are, or you will be, the billionaire that you want to be. Thanks.
Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. If you're Is it worth it? Oh yeah, it's worth it. If you're